Think sleep is just about rest? Think again. When you drift off, your body dives into some pretty strange and fascinating processes. Here are 5 little-known things that happen while you snooze. Number 1. When you sleep, your brain's janitor system, called the glymphatic system, kicks into high gear. It flushes out toxins and waste, including proteins linked to Alzheimer's. Think of it as a nightly deep clean for your brain. Number 2. Ever wonder why you wake up chilly at night? As you enter deeper sleep, your core body temperature drops to help conserve energy and reset your internal clock. It's your body's way of recharging efficiently. Number 3. During deep sleep, your body releases cytokines, special proteins that help fight off infections and inflammation. That's why pulling an all-nighter can actually make you more likely to get sick. Number 4. Sleep isn't just about energy, it's when your hormones get balanced. Growth hormone spikes to repair tissues and muscles, while stress hormones like cortisol dip down. Skip sleep, and your whole system goes out of whack. Number 5. During REM sleep, your muscles relax so much that your breathing becomes irregular. In most people, this is harmless, but it explains why you sometimes wake up with a sudden gasp or jolt. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more fascinating facts every week.